About this item: 12-channel USB digital oscilloscope, spectrum analyzer, and network analyzer, plus or minus 25V, differential, 14-bit, 100 ms/s, 30 MHz and bandwidth, 2-channel arbitrary function generator, plus or minus 5V, 14-bit, 100 ms/s, 12 MHz and bandwidth, 16-channel digital logic analyzer, pattern generator, and protocol analyzer, 3.3V CMOS and 1.8V or 5V tolerant, 100 ms/s, 2 input/output digital trigger signals for linking multiple instruments, 3.3V CMOS, additional instruments including a data logger, impedance analyzer, and power supplies in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: 12-channel USB digital oscilloscope, spectrum analyzer, and network analyzer, plus or minus 25V,